Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. Are you looking to migrate your emails from Mac Outlook to Windows Outlook? In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to use a powerful tool to convert your OLM to PST. Whether you are switching platforms or backing up your mailbox, this guide covers everything you need to know to make the transition smooth and secure. As you know, the .alm extension is designated for Microsoft Outlook for Mac mailbox data file. Unlike the PST format used by Outlook for Windows, OLM files are exclusive to Mac and cannot be opened directly on Windows systems without the conversation. That's where it comes, the OLM to PST converter tool from Stellar. I'll put in the description below the link so you can come directly on the official page and you can see a lot of information regarding this tool, how to use it, and what are some of the scenarios when you are going to need to use this tool. Once you are on this official website, you just click over free download and you are able to start the installation, which is quite simple. You just start and then just follow the steps until the end, and then you'll have the Stellar OLM to PST converter on your computer. So let's go right away to the tool itself, which I have already installed in my computer. This is the main page, Stellar converter for OLM. And you can maximize it if you want it bigger. And basically what you have to do once you have opened it, you just see here select OLM mailbox. We click over there, and then over here you have to browse to the location where you have your OLM files. So I'm gonna browse over there, which in my case is gonna be this file, accounting.olm or tasks.olm. You can also attach both of them. So for example, we add the first one and then we can browse another one if we want. So we just click the same and then we click for both of them, convert, and then the conversion will start. So here it is. Now it's processing the header, step 3 of 3. It takes a bit time depending on the file size. But the good thing is that this tool doesn't have a limitation of the size of the OLM file. So here it is, the conversion completed successfully. So all the emails now are showing on Stellar converter. I'm just gonna press over OK over this notification that the conversion is complete, and then you can check the emails that you have over here. There are a lot of emails that I have on my OLM file. Once you have everything over here, and then the next step would be to convert those to PST file. The good thing is that if you don't want all of them to be converted to PST, you can select what do you want. But if you want all of them, you just leave all of them ticked, so select it, and then you click over Save Converted Mailbox over here. And once you select over here, you have to choose what do you want to do with these files, which as you can see, it's huge files and a lot of emails that I have over here. So the first option is save as PST. Once you save it as PST, then you have the possibility that this PST file to load it or to import on your Outlook application. If you want, you can export to existing Outlook profile. By doing this, you can save the converted mailbox as a part of an existing Outlook profile. This will not make any changes to the settings of your existing profile. If the selected profile is password protected, you will be asked to provide the password, etc, etc. You have also other formats. You click over select and then you see this other format like MSG or EML. But in my case, like I said, I'm just gonna use save as PST, and then I'm gonna click over next, and then I have to specify this possibility: save each mailbox as individual PST or save all mailboxes in single PST, which makes more sense to actually do this step over here. Then I have to specify the destination path. I'm just gonna click over browse and I'm just gonna choose the downloads, which actually is quite simple for me to do it. I'm just gonna click over OK, then over save. It will take a bit time to convert or to save all these files that I have on my Stellar converter, but we'll give the time that it's needed. It's taking a bit time, so we're gonna meet at the end once all this mailbox is converted to a PST file. So here it is, selected mailbox, converted and saved successfully. So basically that's all that you have to do to convert that to a PST file. Let's go over there and let's have a look. Alright, so here it is, the file, converted data, and then inside of it you'll find the outlook.pst, which is actually similar size what we had on OLM. Alright, so now we open the Outlook application, and then over here we're gonna need to import the PST file that we just create. So alright, so here it is, the image that I just converted. As you can see over here, it's showing now on my Outlook after I imported the PST file. So basically that's all that you have to do in order to convert your files from OLM version to PST. I hope that you'll find this video really helpful for what you need, and please leave on the comments below what do you think about this tool. Wish to you all the best, and thank you for watching this video.